Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Your examination are underway. JK Post is conducting your examination from 12th of November. But there is 40% concession in your syllabus. You need not to go beyond the 60% marks because this will save your time and energy. And by moving beyond the 60% marks, it would perhaps the tell upon your overall gaining the exams. So better is to do just 60% marks, attempt 60%, and whatever your gain would be, that would be proportionately raised to 100. So in order to save time and energy, you must do only 60% paper. As the board decision is firm, it stands firm. They're students, but the important thing is that you have to work hard in these days. You have to put extra efforts in these days. You have to remain busy with the book so that you can crack this examination with nice percentage of marks. Who work hard and self-study, having no substitute in the world. And important thing, you are not physically in the schools. Finally, board realized it, and 60% is for you, and 40% concession is there. Just do 60% and skip the 40%. Dear students, today we are dealing with class 12 subject English, and it is just hints what would be asked in the coming examinations. These are the expected things. Dear students, your English questionnaire that would be of 100 marks, you have to attempt only 60, and it is divided in two parts. One is the textual part, and another is the grammatic portion. In textual part, your textual questions are asked 3 to 4 from the your lessons, your text lessons. For example, after 20 years, this your lesson from this question would be asked, and after that some seen passages as well as some unseen passages may be asked in the examinations, and passage there is written, and from the same passage some questions are framed, and you have to answer these questions by searching these answers from the passage that is given. So simple it is. And after that some thing is asked in the poetry section, whether it is the summary of the poem that is asked. For example, when autumn came, apple picking, that is the summary of these poems may be asked. And a reference to context, reference to context means just some stanzas are taken from a poem, and you have to write down the reference from which these lines have been taken, and who is the author of these lines or poet of these lines, and what is, then you have to explain the things, what is the meaning of these lines. And after that some matching, you have to match some words. uh, that means a word having similar meaning, a word given in the column A or in the part A having the similar meaning in the part B, and you have to match these. And this is from the your textual part what is asked. And the most important part is the grammatical part. And in grammatical part, if you have the command, you can crack the examinations without the text part if you have the command on the grammatical part. And first of all, from the grammatical part, this is asked the simple sentences, compound sentences, and complex sentences. You have to convert simple sentence into complex one, and compound sentence into complex one. This is first asked. And after that, there is the modulus, appropriate modulus. That, for example, should, must, ought to, will, would, and this is you have to insert there, you have to correct, fill there the appropriate models. And then also prepositions are asked. Correct prepositions you have to insert in the blanks. This is asked. And you also the conjunction is asked. Conjunction means that connects word to word, sentence to sentence, and phrase to phrase. For example, but, and, yet, or, unless, until, these are the conjunctions that are asked. Although, and after that the relative clauses are asked. Relative clause are those clauses in which you find the relative pronouns, and two sentences are joined by a relative pronoun and it turns a relative clause. For example, I saw the man eats worms. I saw the man who eats worms. This is how asked in the board exams as relative clause. And after that, there is the writing skills. For example, your paragraph writing, resume writing, letter writing, as well as the diary entry is asked how to do the diary entry. These things are asked in the board examinations. So you have to keep these things in the mind. What is asked in the board examination? First, textual questions are asked, passages are asked, reference context is asked, summary of a poem is asked, even note is asked sometimes on the personal life of C.V. Raman. This is asked, and the grammatic portion there is the conversion of simple sentence and compound and complex, then the models, then prepositions, conjunctions, these are asked, and also the change of narration is asked. Change in narration, that is the change direct and indirect. You have to convert direct into indirect speech, indirect into direct speech, and also sometimes active and passive is asked. These are the things that are asked in the board examination. Even writing skill is very important. It fetches there a huge percentage of marks. For example, letter writing is, SMS writing is, email is, diary entry is, resume is. These are the things that are asked. Even paragraph writing is asked in the board examinations. And I hope the grammar books are available with you, and see there the model paper, or we can see model paper there. Even some model papers are available on different WhatsApp groups. Go and see these model papers, and you will crack the examination with nice percentage of marks. These are the things that are asked in the board examinations of class 12th English. Dear students, English is a language. Languages are always difficult to teach, but they are very easy to cross, and they very easy to pass. But these things you must keep in your mind so that you can crack the comic exam with nice percentage of marks. The important thing is that you have to remain busy with the books. You have to burn midnight oil, because there is no substitution for hard work. And when you do extra hard work, and Allah, God will provide you the sweet fruits. But remember, don't move beyond the 60% marks, as already board has taken the decision that there is a 40% concession. When there is 40% concession, you need not to go above the 60% or beyond the 60%. This will affect your overall gain in the exams. But these are things you must keep in mind to crack the exams with nice percentage of marks. My prayers are with you. Do work hard, and you will crack the every barrier, and these examinations are major things. Thanks. Be well, asset.